Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I'm glad to hear that. Well, for today's class, we are going to talk about making weekend plans. So let's take a few seconds to think about what are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? Okay. Before sharing your ideas, let's show you some examples about my weekend plans. Well, on Saturday, excuse me, on Saturday, I'm going to study English. I'm going to study English on Saturday. I'm going to go out with my friends on Saturday. I'm going to go out with my friends on Saturday. What about Sunday? I'm going to go to the beach on Sunday. I'm going to go to the beach on Sunday. I'm going to watch a movie on Sunday. I'm going to watch a movie on Sunday. You see, how can I express my future plans? Okay, let's let's look at these examples and notice something. Okay? The first one says, I'm going to study English on Saturday. I'm going to study English on Saturday. I talking about yesterday? No, right? I talking about something is happening right now? No, right? This is a future plan. I'm going to study English on Saturday. I'm going to watch a movie on Sunday. What words are missing here? I am going to. Excellent. And then we have the base form of the verb. Well, now let's discover the form. Let's read these sentences together. I am going to go out with friends on Sunday. I am going to study on Saturday. They are going to watch a movie on Sunday. Okay. So when we talk about future plans, we use subject plus the forms of the verb to be and is or are plus going to plus the base form of the verb. Okay? Remember, after going to, we use the base form of the verb. Okay, now let's practice together. Let's see the image. And in this sentence is missing a word or words. You have to guess what words are missing here. The sentence says, she cooked at home on Saturday. She cooked at home on Saturday. What words are missing there? Going to. Excellent. She's going to cook at home on Saturday. She is going to cook at home on Saturday. The next example. The next sentences. They play soccer on Sunday. They play soccer on Sunday. What are the missing words there? Are going to, excellent. They are going to play soccer on Sunday. Okay, the next sentence. He watched a movie on Saturday. He watched a movie on Saturday. What words are missing there? Excellent. Is going to. He is going to watch a movie on Saturday. Well, we already practiced, and now it's your turn. Now it's your turn to think about your weekend plans. Now you can produce it, you can make sentences with going to. Look at these three pictures. Look at these three pictures and choose two of these pictures and produce your own sentences about your weekend plans. Okay? What are you going to do this weekend? Just look these images and make future plans for your weekend. Okay? Okay, I will provide some examples. The first one is eat pizza. So I can say I am going to eat pizza on Saturday. The next one, she is going to study English on Sunday. She is going to study English on Sunday. They are going to travel. They are going to travel on Saturday. They are going to travel on Saturday. Okay. Very good. Well, well, guys, it is time to finish the today class, and we have learned how to talk about our weekend plans using be going to, so you can put it in practice. Today is Tuesday. You can think about your future plans and try to write your future plan for this next weekend. And remember, be going to we use be going to make future plans. Subject plus base form. Sorry, subject plus the form of the verb to be and is are plus going to plus the base form of the verb. Well, thank you so much for your attention and see you next class.